Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to spice up your Figma designs with a little extra character, this tutorial is perfect for you. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to add emojis in Figma 2025. By the end of this video, you'll know not just one, but two super simple ways to bring all your favorite emojis right into your projects. Whether you're working on web design, social media graphics, or just adding some fun touches to your prototypes. Alright, let's jump right in. First up is probably the quickest method, and it's one I use all the time just using your web browser. All you have to do is open up Google and type in emojis. You'll see a bunch of websites pop up, like Emojipedia or Google's own emoji panel. Pick one you like, scroll through, and find the emoji that fits your vibe. For example, I might search for a thumbs up or a heart, totally up to you. When you found the one you want, just highlight it, right-click, and hit copy. Easy as that. Then hop over to Figma. Go to your design file, click wherever you want the emoji to go, and simply paste it in. It's that straightforward. One thing to note though, when you paste, the emoji will act just like a piece of text, so you can change its size, make it bold, and style it however you'd like. This method is great because it's quick and you can grab any emoji on the internet instantly. Don't worry if it doesn't look perfect at first. You can always adjust the font or color to match your design. It's a bit like copying a sticker and putting it straight into your notebook, super flexible. Now there's also another, slightly more advanced, but very handy way to add emojis right inside Figma without even leaving your workspace. Here, how you do it: look down at the very bottom center of your Figma window and find the Actions button. Alternatively, if you like using keyboard shortcuts, just press Ctrl and K at the same time. This opens up the Actions search panel, which is a powerful tool for finding commands, plugins, or anything you need inside Figma. In the search bar that appears, simply type emojis. You'll see a few options pop up depending on what you have installed, but most will have similar features. They'll let you search, browse, and insert emojis directly. Pick your favorite one. Really, most of them work in basically the same way. Once you've clicked on your chosen emoji action or plugin, look for the Run button and give that a click. Now you should have a panel that displays all sorts of emojis, smiley faces, animals, symbols, whatever you like. Just click and drag any emoji you want right onto your design canvas. This gives you a bit more control because you can place the emoji exactly where you want it, resize it, or even combine it with other layers and elements. It's kind of like picking candies from a box and arranging them on a cake. You get to decorate your design exactly the way you want. And honestly, that's it. Two easy ways to add emojis in Figma 2025, whether you want to keep it fast and simple with copy and paste, or get a little more organized using the Actions panel. If you get stuck or if something doesn't look quite right, don't worry. Sometimes it takes a minute to get everything lined up the way you want. Just keep experimenting until it looks perfect. Thanks so much for watching. If this tutorial helped you, be sure to hit that like button and consider subscribing for more step-by-step design tips. If you have any questions or want to share your favorite emoji combos, drop a comment below. I always love hearing from you. See you in the next video.